Ever wonder why the periodic table looks like a spreadsheet designed by a mad scientist? Let's break down atomic numbers, metals versus nonmetals, why noble gases ghost everyone, and why sodium and chlorine make such a toxic couple. What is a periodic table and atomic numbers? First off, this isn't just a basic list. Every box is packed with info. You've got the atomic number, which is basically the atom's government ID card, telling you the exact number of protons. Change that number, and you legally change the element. Then there's the atomic mass, which is just the average weight of the atom. Easy. Next, you can split every element into three main personality types. Metals live on the left. They are shiny, solid, except for mercury, which likes to be weird, bendable, and great at conducting heat and electricity. Non-metals hang out on the right. They can be solids, liquids, or gases, and if they are solid, they are total divas that shatter easily and don't conduct electricity. And right down the middle, you've got the metalloids living on the zigzag line. They are the ultimate fence-sitters, semiconductors that act like metals sometimes, but not really.